Guys, I'm in here with my doggy right now. Benji! He has his ball. Wait, cut. Benji. Benji's like, yeah, he left, so, cut. I'm gonna get him back. Okay, guys, we got him back. Bro, stop trying to bite. Can you guys see him? He's Bali right here. Wait, why is the screen kind of blue? No. You're not going anywhere, boy. Bro! Stop your biting. Bro! Benji. Sorry, guys. He's just a little cranky today. Bro. Sorry about that. Ah! My finger. Ah! Bro, my dog keeps making me log off the app. You good, boy? Benji. No. Ah! No, don't log off the app. Ah! He's good, y'all. Never mind. Dude, let go my hair, bro. Do not log off the app. Ah! Look at this dude, bro. Dude, your ball is here. Somewhere. Ah! Bro. Ah! Dude. Ah! Ah! Did you see him? Stop it, boy. I hope you guys can see what this dude is doing. Ow! Dude, he's so mad. Bro! This kid, bro. You good? Oh! Dude, chill, bro. I didn't do anything, and you're not going anywhere. No. Or no. Can you guys see him? Ah! By the way, guys, today I'm getting my gaming setup built. So later, I'm gonna post that video. So yeah. Benji, yeah. Wait, guys, I need to set up the camera. No, boy, you ain't going nowhere. Sorry, guys, he's in the front of the camera. Dude, chill. Dude. Ah! Sorry, guys, so sorry. Dude, Benji, take your ball. Take it. Take your ball. Yeah, good boy. You're not going nowhere. Ah! Okay, guys, Sorry, but Benji has to go. Okay, guys. I got rid of the dog because he was being a little too rough. But yeah. Why am I red? Yeah, little dog is... Hey! Stop pulling it! Sorry, guys. I don't know why, but it looks like I'm hiding from something, but... I'm just chilling. And I'm blue now! This is crazy. Okay, we're good. Is this seriously... Take your time. I promise I'm not putting any filters. This is just how it is. Fortunately, bro, be right back. I'm gonna take the video and I'm gonna make this dog stop pulling on it. Pulling on the blanket. Let's go. Okay, guys, I'm back. I checked the video. Wait, it's kind of dark. Okay. I look purple and blue. Let me check it. I am back. I'm so sorry for that cringe, but I kind of want to do it again. Wait, let me... I can't see anything because I don't have my glasses on. I didn't bring my glasses today, so I can't really see anything. Sorry. Promise you this is no filter, okay? It's just how the camera is when I'm under something, like when the blanket goes. Wait, I'm gonna get her. Look, so I'm not smiling right now. Look. Wait, Oh, ow. Sorry, guys. I look creepy for a second, but yeah. Sorry. I accidentally clicked it. Dude, I'm so sweating. I can't see. Okay, now I can kind of see you guys. Bro, why is it like changing colors? We're gonna let you guys see the house one time. And Benji is back. Just kidding, he's not. Look how sweating I am. You wanna come back up? Okay, cut, I'm gonna get him. Okay guys, I just started it. Benji's back. And he's biting my fingers. Dude, I told you to chill. Trying to make him chill right now, guys. But look at him. Bro, he keeps making me log out of the app. Okay, Benji! Please. No. Dad. Can you please stop? No. No, you're not. You go. Okay, yeah, this dude's gotta go. Okay, he left. You are not coming back, bad boy. Bad boy. Sorry about my last video. Like my latest video, not the mukbang one, but like the Avengers one, because okay, I'm gonna stop talking about that. There's no filter right now, okay? There's no filter. No, Benji, I'm not letting you in again. Benji, what do you want from me? Wait, guys. Benji, what do you want? Yeah, I'm not. Look, I'm gonna take it off, and look, you'll see that there's no filter. So there's no filter, just how the camera is. I know I don't have good. Yeah, I don't have that. Dude, it's because I'm filming on an iPad, okay? Don't judge me, please. Thank you so much for 20 subscribers. Well, actually, I'm going to check how many subscribers I have right now. So, cut. Whoop. 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 Okay, guys, I just checked. They have like 21 subscribers still, but thank you so much. It means a lot. Okay, yeah, let's get out of this. Dude, it's so hot now. I'm gonna do a reaction video to K-pop Demon Hunters. So, yeah. Take your time. Take your death. I watched some funny compilations of K-pop Demon Hunters, and they're pretty funny. So, I'm excited to see the full movie. Bro. Well, look. Benji. He's running. Right now that's on there, but let's put K-pop Demon Hunters. Okay. Let's go. Netflix. What do you want? Benji? I love the way he does that. Where actually? I'm gonna upload.